smiling shores, endless waves, sea cucumbers and enticing caves, water, hundreds of colors, but I'd be better off blind when you had several intentions in your labyrinth mind, and I had many impressions of you, scorpion fish, go